big week this week, honestly. A lot of news on the regulatory front, a lot of price action, a lot of hopium that actually might be long-term good news, turning the market around. So excited to dive into this one. On Monday, May 20th, a tweet from Bloomberg ETF specialist Eric Balchunas announced that he and his colleague were increasing their odds of a spot ETH ETF approval from 25% to 75% based on new information. The development led to a huge price rally for ETH and renewed optimism from crypto market participants. What happened is that the Securities and Exchange Commission requested that the New York Stock Exchange and CBOE Global Markets update their so-called 19B-4 filings that propose rule changes to allow the planned ETFs to trade. This was an extremely surprising last-hour move, considering that the SEC's deadline to approve or deny the first ETH ETF application, VanEck application, was Thursday, May 23rd. People are speculating that political reasons had an impact on the approval. Regardless, the only question now is, will there be demand? Here's my take. People always say, ETH has no narrative institutionally because these people can't understand it. They're talking about Wall Street like they're dumb, and the people aren't dumb. They just need to be educated. And I think that work is going to be done by BlackRock and these firms that are on the screen who have the incentive to educate. So they're going to educate, and these people want to be educated. Just looking at the Bitcoin ETF launch, there's a lot of fund managers who didn't buy it and just thought that it was going to be a sell the news event. Like, Bitcoin's not back. It's not. People don't actually want all this, and then they were left on the sidelines, and their funds got destroyed because all the asset managers who did allocate to Bitcoin obviously saw the huge 60-70% increase that we saw in the months after from ETF flows. They're not going to make that mistake again. And then the people who did buy the Bitcoin ETF, these institutional managers who have it in their portfolios, they have some incentive to be diversified within the crypto space as well.